Elrond. If you're an Elrond holder, if you're part of the Elrond family, you're gonna like this video. I've got some news to share with you, and you probably may already know the internet scale blockchain is live. Look at this. Love Elrond Gold, like what it stands for. I like the high scalability. I like some of the use cases it's doing, and I love that you can stake it and buy it from the website. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And check this out. Elrond is up, up to over $100 per coin, so it's doing good. It's doing good in the marketplace. It's got a lot of good things going to be happening to Elrond Gold. I'm a big fan of it, and I want to just go ahead and share some news with you today. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information and up-to-date for hidden gems and things to help grow your bank account and your brand as well. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, this is why I'm excited about it. I was on Twitter the other day, and I was just kind of looking around. I saw this. I saw milestones achieved, 600K mainnet wallets, 5.4 million transactions. Wow, 11.2 million staked. Now you can stake it right here. You just click on stake now. This is from their website, and then from here you just kind of follow the steps. Very, very easy to do. There's a video about the delegation process. And then here's all the information on how to delegate, how to basically get your rewards, and also more information what it does. So I do like Elrond, the fact that you can do everything right here, and does have information about that as well. And you can buy Elrond just right here on their website as well. You can also buy Elrond on crypto.com and among other exchanges. I do have that information right below this video. You can get Elrond from other places, but you also get it from the website, and you can keep everything in one-stop shop. So that's really good. Not all assets has that. Not all assets has that. And check this out. Onboarding the next billion people toward a multi-trillion-dollar market. This is news that just came out as well. It's not news that just came out, but this is something I definitely want you guys to know about. If you holding Elrond, if you're thinking about investing into Elrond, it's always good to do your research here. But when I read this article about, actually early this morning, I got even more bullish about what Elrond's going to do in the future and definitely help people out in terms of, the way of life. And one of the things that stuck out for me was, it was an article, it was a new money, a new experience for anyone, anywhere, and everything is tokenized. So I started looking at that. I'm like, okay, I start getting even more bullish. So this article is right on their website. Check it out. Onboarding the next billion people towards a multi-trillion-dollar market. So Elrond is already thinking about the future already, which got me to think about this article on this information here, Pluto's network, X plus Elrond. So yeah, they're already collaborating with other different companies and ideas, and the collaboration will focus on integrating the Elrond Network mainnet, the mainnet, not the testnet, the mainnet, on our multi-channel architecture, enabling assets on the Elrond blockchain to be compatible and pairable, I'm talking about, and synthetics for commodities, stocks, bonds, and anything else. So basically, they already trying to connect, collaborate, because Elrond is already thinking like, you know what? We're going to need to be able to be more expandable and be good and have options for other companies if they want to collaborate with stocks, bonds, and different things like that. Because, we want to be able to service not only the people, but other companies as well. And here's some of the comments like that. I love that. Love that. That looks really, really good. I like that. Like that look there. So Elrond Gold, let's go back to the price. It's $102.10. I do think my price prediction of this is, I think in the bull run, I can see 500. I can see about $500. I really can. Cause it got up to close to 300. Let me see. Did it get? Yeah, I think it's about 300. 212. Yeah, it's 200. I see $500 in a really aggressive bull run. $5. It could even exceed over that based off the fact that they have a low max supply. They have a really, really good value case of a high, scalable, fast, and secure blockchain platform, and you can stake your information here. You can stake. You can buy it. And then there's also, they have other things that it does as well. Massive scalability, stake rewards. This is one of my favorite parts about it. You can actually stake your information on here and actually have you know, have success, have a chance to have success just by staking the rewards. It's up number 56 right now. So I'm thinking about, you know, $500. I'm going to say I'm $500. This is my prediction. I'm not a financial advisor at all. Not a financial advisor. Just so based on opinions and research that I've done. And I think what I do is go on their website, go on their Twitter, I read some of their articles, go some of their videos, watch their AMAs if they have any on YouTube or anywhere else. And then I basically just kind of like come up with something that I feel like I want to share with you. And this is something we didn't actually talk about either. Protocol seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speeds by using sharding. So sharding, this is something definitely different as well. Not all use cases, not all assets use sharding. So that's something else you want to explain. So, all right, that's my Elrond video for today. It's 102 today, so it's up a little bit. So yes, if you're an Elrond holder, just, you know, keep holding strong. You know, no financial advice there. Or if you're interested in getting Elrond Gold, actually at the bottom here, you can get it on their website like I was talking about earlier. You can get it on Binance. You can also get it on crypto.com. I like crypto.com, very, very simple and very, very easy, because you can keep everything in one place, very secure, very safe, very fast too. And this is the way crypto.com looks like. And what you do is just come here, you just type in Elrond or type in your asset there, and it should show up right there as well. Look at that, homie. I think I pressed the wrong button. So yeah, Elrond will show up right there. You can go ahead and get your stuff there. Actually, I don't know where it showed up. Yeah, okay, it will show up there. Okay, I think it was in the wrong one. But yes, crypto.com, you can go download the mobile device on your phone. I do have that information right below this video. Very quick, very easy to do. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, Elrond Gold, I'm telling you, before I leave here, I think Elrond Gold is going to change the game. And because they're massive, they're one of those assets they're thinking about the future, just like a lot of them out there. And check them out. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification when you get videos, for you to be notified when you get videos just like this. And I'll see you on the next video. I got another hidden gem coming up this week. So stay tuned to that, and stay tuned for other things that can help grow your bank account and help grow your brand. I'll see you later. Thank you very much.